Do you know what can reduce stress, improve overall health, also improve self-control and the choices that you make every day? It can also reduce pain, also it's free, and can single-handedly change your life. Well, it's in the title. Hey, Dr. Victor here. Today we are talking about meditation. Don't forget to like, subscribe if you enjoyed the content and the videos, it really helps. So this is what I did, 15 minutes of meditation each day for 21 days. And let me tell you, it's hard because I'm trying to do this video for about several months and I never actually managed to finish the whole 21 days because either I get distracted and just give up after maybe some days or a week. But now I finally did it. I'm at day 23 of meditation and let me tell you, it's hard because you can always find an excuse. Maybe you're bored, you don't have any time right now. Maybe, oh, let's leave it up until the end of the day. Maybe, oh, what's the point of it all? Meditation is just sitting in one place, trying to empty your mind and being mindful. It's not that beneficial. So what actually is meditation? Well, basically it implies you practicing two things. One, mindfulness, so just being more aware of yourself, of your body, of your breathing, of the thoughts that can come up. And the second thing, practicing letting go. So maybe a thought can come up, maybe it's a thought that you don't really like, and watching that thought and then just letting the thought go like a wave that just passes you by. The practice of letting go and not entertaining a certain thought. The reason this can change your life is basically because it's applicable to everything you do. So the benefits for me are because I'm becoming more aware of my thoughts, bad and good thoughts or neutral thoughts, or the good or bad habits or actions that I have and I don't even realize that I'm doing those things. If I don't meditate or practice mindfulness, I just become complacent and almost forget about becoming my best version, my best self. And it's free.
It's free real estate.
Also practicing letting go, I'm better able to tackle any challenge in everyday life. For example, if someone cuts you off and you're mad, you can just practice letting go. That's why you meditate, and in that instance you can just chill, not let it phase you. Or maybe someone insults you on the street or whatever, chill, not care, not have a care in the world, your state not change, like ocean, calm. Also, you need time with yourself. When do we ever do this nowadays? Time to hear yourself, to listen to yourself, to see how you are feeling, the good, the bad thoughts that you are having. Why are you having those thoughts? I was holding that negative thought for several days. I did not even notice that. Then you can ask questions about yourself that can help you grow and understand more about yourself. How can I begin to improve a certain negative trait that I have if I'm not even aware of me having that trait? The beautiful thing about meditation is that it has different results for different people. Maybe it can help you find your passion, evolve in certain ways. At about 17 or 18 years, I started meditating and doing it properly and consistently, and it's one of the practices that gave me the most out of any habit that I engaged in. Oh yeah, did I mention? It's free! If you ever played a video game, meditation is like +5 luck to everything. You don't see it, but it does its thing. Things just go more smoothly, you're more aware of yourself, your state is more constant, you're relaxed, you can make better choices, and just things seem to be going better. Now, I don't want to bore you with the sciencey stuff, but there's a lot of medical literature supporting the beneficial effects of meditation. Can you guess how many studies there are on meditation? A lot of studies. Let's search together. Let's see how many studies can we find and literature supporting meditation. Oh, what is this? 500,000 results on meditation. For any one of you that is interested in reading all of these studies, I stopped at page 51, but you can go even further if you wish. Now, for the more specific benefits of meditation, we have several conditions supported by science. For pain, so reducing pain. For high blood pressure, reduces stress, promotes emotional health, enhances self-awareness. Well, duh, because you're practicing mindfulness and becoming more aware. So yeah, lengthens attention span, could improve memory. For irritable bowel syndrome also, because this is linked with the nervous system and meditation has been shown to balance the nervous system. Also for ulcerative colitis, also helping mental disorders such as anxiety, depression, insomnia. Oh look, another good thing, can generate kindness. There's actually one type of meditation that it's called kindness meditation. Meditation is also being used to help fight addictions. For example, food cravings or smoking cessation. and also other studies have shown a beneficial effect on other conditions. Just to give you an example, in one study on 47 people with chronic back pain, an 8-week program of meditation found to be equally as effective in relieving pain as pain-relieving drugs. So just this practice of Zen meditation, being aware of your thoughts, equally as effective for relieving pain as drugs, as medical pain relievers. And guess what? It's free. How does meditation work? How does it change the body, the mind? Why does it give all of these beneficial effects? Now, these are only theories right now because the science is in its infancy, but it can either affect the nervous system, so the beneficial effects are either to the nervous system and balancing out your sympathetic tone to parasympathetic nervous tone. So sympathetic, the fight or flight response, being you're all stressed out, and the parasympathetic, chill, relax, the happy, calm, sleep. Also, it was shown to change the function and structure of different brain regions, and this can lead to the beneficial effects. Another theory could be that it acts on the hormonal axis and triggering the beneficial effects through the actions of your hormones. Now, not gonna get too in depth in this video about the types of meditation, but just hear me out that there are many types of meditation. A good website to see the types of meditation. For example, you have calming versus insight meditation, and you also have a whole lot of types of meditation here. Focused attention, body scan, nothing, visualization, loving kindness meditation, skillful compassion, resting awareness, reflection. Think we're done? No, there are even more types of meditation. Zen meditation, mantra meditation, transcendental meditation, yoga meditation, Vipassana meditation, chakra meditation, Qigong meditation, sound bath meditation. So as you can see, there are many types of meditation: guided meditation, non-guided meditation, sound meditation. Even if you hate meditation and you tried it before and think it's stupid and it's pointless, I promise you that there's at least one type of meditation that you will enjoy. So just experiment for yourself. By the way, did I mention it's free? Why not give meditation a shot? You have nothing to lose, only to gain. Just start small with 30 seconds of being mindful of your breathing, of your thoughts. Yeah, it's gonna be a bit weird, hard at first. So what? You are allowed to fail. And if you already tried it, go for another type of meditation and see what you enjoy most. For me, it helped a lot. Maybe it will also help you. By the way, did I mention it's free? Thanks for watching. Hope you learned something useful. Like, subscribe if you enjoyed the content, it really helps. And see you next time. Have a wonderful day. Salut!